In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute sound on Reddit videos. If you've ever clicked on a Reddit post and wondered why the video is silent, don't worry. Reddit often mutes videos by default to keep autoplay quiet. I'll walk you through exactly how to turn the sound on, adjust the volume, and double check a couple of quick settings so you can hear everything clearly. Start by logging in to your Reddit account. While you can browse a lot without signing in, being logged in helps ensure the player and settings behave consistently. Once you're in, navigate to the post with the video you want to hear. Hover your mouse over the video on desktop, or tap the video once on mobile to reveal the playback controls. Look for the small speaker icon in the video player. It's typically in the lower right corner near the timeline and other controls. Click or tap that speaker icon to unmute the video. As soon as you do, a volume slider should appear. Drag the slider left or right to set the volume to a comfortable level. If the audio sounds too low, try nudging it higher on the slider and make sure the speaker icon no longer shows the muted symbol. If you've unmuted the player but still don't hear anything, quickly check your device's volume. On a computer, make sure your system volume is turned up and the correct output device, like speakers or headphones, is selected. On a phone or tablet, use the volume buttons to raise the media volume, not just the ringtone volume, and make sure silent or do not disturb modes aren't suppressing sound. Sometimes a device level mute can make a video seem silent even when the player is unmuted. One more place to check is your browser tab. Some browsers let you mute an entire site. Right-click the Reddit tab at the top of your browser window and look for an option that says Unmute Site. If you see that, click it, and the audio will be allowed to play. If you don't see Unmute Site, instead you see Mute Site. That means the tab isn't muted and the issue lies elsewhere, like the player volume or your device settings. And that's it. Click the speaker icon to unmute, adjust the volume slider to your liking, confirm your device volume is up, and, if needed, unmute the site from your browser tab. With these quick checks, you'll have sound playing on Reddit videos in no time.